When the night comes, the beautiful city in the light gives off classical charm and modern brilliance. The famous Wangfujing Street was built in Yuan Dynasty. Wangfujing Street has developed into the #1 trade street of China. The lighting with originality adds charm to Wangfujing Trade Street, making Wangfujing Street a true sleepless street. At night, when wandering on Wangfujing Street, you will be surprised that you are in the colorful sea. Architecture expresses different postures as the brilliant light, and you will slow down your steps to watch the beautiful scenery. Many people take photos with the rickshaw, which reappears the old Beijing's landscape to serve a picture of nightlife in old Beijing. Wangfujing Street has a place which you can't miss. That is Donghuamen Food Street. Here, the entire street has the red lanterns, people wandering in front of the snack bars. The characteristic snacks of China are sold here, including rice noodles, instant boiled mutton, barbecued beef, bean curd jelly, gobbly stuffed bun. The stalls showed their skills to solicit customers, and this becomes a specific view in Wangfujing Food Street. In the evening, light forms a colorful night in sky of the city. Sanlitun is one of the most prosperous landmarks of nightlife in Beijing. It locates in the east of Chaoyang area, and it got the name because it is 3 meters from the inner city. Since building the North Embassy here in 1962, Sanlitun developed into the important place where diplomatic personnel live, go shopping, and do diplomatic activities. Night being tender, noises scattering in the crowds, and sounds flowing on the street. Here has little feeling of old Beijing, but never lack of happy atmosphere. Actually, Beijing is quite large. She not only has unique Beijing culture, history and fashion exist in harmony here. Sanlitun is famous for its bar street. According to the statistics, more than 60% of the bars of Beijing gather in this area. When the night comes, the colorful lights and bustling crowds reflect the luxury of metropolis. Shisha Sea is the best preserved landscape of old Beijing, which is surrounded by famous historical relics such as Prince Gong's mansion and Prince Chun's mansion. Shisha Sea is the total name of the last 3 seas in the 6 seas of Beijing. The water surface of 34 acres is in harmony with the city's blocks. Because of river, specific natural landscape of Shisha Sea is formed. Since Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, here has the prosperous view of gathering businessmen and stalls. The development of pop culture makes night of Shisha Sea sleepless. Its classics and modernism set a foil to charming Shisha Sea. Here, one's spirit is clear when drink wine and enjoy beautiful scenery. The happiness of crowd and beautiful wine exist harmoniously, and old yard and fashionable trends are in their proper places. All of these explain a fresh characteristic Beijing.